issued a severe thunderstorm warning. East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until midnight. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lombard to Downers Grove to Woodridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Hinsdale, Westchester, Lamont, LaGrange, Burridge, Bellwood, and LaGrange Park around 11:15 p.m. Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Oak Park, Palos Hills, Justice, Summit, Bridgeview, Forest Park, and Hickory Hills around 11:20 p.m. Oak Lawn, Midway Airport, Austin, South Lawndale, Burbank, Alpheus, Brighton Park, Ashburn, Chicago Ridge, and Palos Heights around 11:25 p.m. Chicago Lawn, Bridgeport, Englewood, Blue Island, near West Side, New City, Auburn Gresham, Evergreen Park, Crestwood, and Marionette Park around 11:30 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. If you spot a tornado, go at once to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a